Hi everyone, I'm Vijay here from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So our student got placed recently, so we'll share his experience.
I am Karthik. I am from Chikbalapura. I have completed my MCA from East West Institute of Technology. So I am joined in the year 2024 December month in PySpider. So when I am joining that time, I know about anything about Python knowledge. When I am joining, Vijay sir and Keshav sir will doing the grooming sessions, and Vijay sir is my Python sir is telling how to improve my technical skills, and also and Muralidharan sir is told how to improve, how to perform the CRUD operations by using SQL. These are thank you for my all trainers to giving this knowledge and this opportunity.
Along with this, what were you doing regularly in the institute of your doing?
So when I'm joining this institute, I am less in communication. I'm poor in communication. When I'm doing boot camps, that is improve my communication. And when I'm doing when I'm coming to mock sessions, that is useful for I'm facing the interviews. So,
Very good. Congratulations and all this.
okay, thank you, sir.